Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and if you're not new, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to record and edit voiceovers on your Android mobile phones. If you're a new YouTuber and you're just starting up on voiceovers, then this video will be really helpful because I use my Samsung mobile phone for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoy the video and watch to the end. Firstly, what we have to do is to download the app, which is the Lexis Audio Editor app from Play Store. So you go to Play Store and then you search Lexis Audio Editor, and then you make sure that you download the app and allow permissions, record your voiceover. I'm using the RegForge 2 app. You can also use this. It's a very good app for recording voiceovers, and then you record. I already have my recording here, this first one that's recording. After recording your voiceover, then you go to Lexis Audio Editor, then you allow permissions. I've used the app before, so if you're using the app for the first time, you have to allow permissions. I will open. I'll click on the recording and then I open. Then you will see the voiceover, and then this is how it sounds.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching, or I will be showing you guys how to record and edit voiceovers using your Android mobile phones, and I'm using a Samsung phone right now.
So what you will do is to delete the unnecessary parts of the voiceover of the recording. You can use both of this. This is to cut out any part you don't want, and then you just click and then delete. You will do this throughout the rest of the video. You listen through and you find out which you need to cut out. I'll just quickly do that on my recording. So after much editing and cutting out, I think this is good. So now
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to record and edit voiceovers using your Android mobile phone, and I'm using a Samsung phone.
What you do next is you go to effects. You can import or import from file, mix the current file with another file, load playback music and all that. And also you can add effects. What you do first is to normalize. After cutting out, then you normalize. Then you also go to effects and then noise reduction. This noise reduction depends on the amount of noise in the background where you did your recording. So you just check and do a lot of playing around with the effect. You can also preview, so you can check if it's alright before you apply. Then next is you equalize. Here also you can preview, check, or you can screenshot mine and apply to your voiceover. Then you apply. Next is you click on compressor. Here also you play around, you can preview, or you can just screenshot mine and use on your editing. Then finally you normalize. For audio effects, you can change the pitch, change the tempo, change speed and all that. For pitch, I think this is okay. So this is how the recording sounded before I edited.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching, or I will be showing you guys how to record and edit voiceovers using your Android mobile phones, and I'm using a Samsung phone right now.
And this is the recording after editing the Lexis Audio Editor.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to record and edit voiceovers using your Android mobile phone, and I'm using a Samsung phone.
This is basically it. Then you just save. You can rename if you want, or make sure you save in WAV. But if your phone doesn't support it, you can save in MP3, but I'll be saving mine in WAV. So this is basically how to edit your voiceovers, and this is an amazing app for editing for Android phones. If you have an Android phone, you're a YouTuber and you want to start doing voiceovers and you don't have mic and recording equipment, this is the best app for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and in the comment section if this video was helpful, please let me know. Thank you.